Hi everyone, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace and C. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. Today, I want to show you one of the wigs that one of my clients sent back for maintenance. And I really want you to see how transformative getting a good maintenance treatment on your wigs can be. Um, I'm telling you, I think that she might have been ready to just not throw it away, but to get the sense that, oh my gosh, I thought this wig was going to last for years and it looks like this. But I'm telling you, when you take proper care of your rhythm wig, it just responds and is so grateful that you gave it some TLC. So I'm going to show you some snippets. I'm not going to take you through the entire process that I did, but it is no different than what you've seen in previous videos. I didn't do anything special. So it's kind of like a pulling together of some of the tips that I've been showing you throughout other videos, but just some pieces of it so I don't have you waiting, for 25-minute long video. But I really want you to see how it went, from the before to the after. So I'm going to do that today. So enjoy. Thanks. And I just want to remind you that we do maintenance services. We know you're busy. We know curly wigs and human hair, good quality human hair wigs, does take, does require maintenance to keep it looking amazing. We do not have any magic synthetic plastic wigs that just kind of bounce back, but then, you have to throw it away in a few months. Our wigs require TLC, and we do offer those services at a very reasonable rate. And as a matter of fact, if you order subscription services, maintenance through subscription services, it is even more discounted, right? So you can get, you can order at one time 4 maintenances, right? A package of 4 maintenances. And it's almost, I think, $10 cheaper than if you just order one maintenance service at a time. We take the payments monthly, so you hardly feel it in your pocketbook, but you can send your wigs back to us and you pay to send it to us and we pay to send it back to you. So it's very reasonable, and you'll see what a difference it makes. So please take advantage of our maintenance services so you can fully enjoy your rhythm wigs.